Hello everyone. Hope all of you are sound and safe after the Amphan, the category 1 hurricane that hits Kolkata and Bengal in last week. It's a very difficult time and tough time that we are going through after the pandemic, a big storm which devastated our state, our economy, and especially the downtrodden. I have three different realizations in these circumstances which probably may help combating the situation. My first point is to extend help to every individual, those who need, those who are suffering, those who are homeless. Do it in your way, but do it. People need in this hour. And they will not forget the help that you are extending forever, because if you are next to them in the tough time, they are going to remember it, and that's a blessing. But while donating, please check the authenticity of the firm or the account. It's important that we donate to right account and it shouldn't be a fraud. Second thing, it's not only about donating money. What I believe, the donation can only help in a smaller run. For longer run, for sustainable economy, you need to help them in a way they find job, they get a better direction, and also a lead in this pandemic situation. And hence, if you see messages in LinkedIn, I'm looking for a job, I'm jobless, try to give them leads. If you are seeing a business which is suffering to start, and if you can contribute, and it's not possible for everyone, but we don't know what we can offer, and we don't know a small help can change many lives. And hence, it's my request, and this is exactly what I'm doing right now, helping as many people as I can in all my possible ways. My second point is positivity. It's very important to be positive in this situation, because if we have the conviction that we can win this battle, the half job is done. And hence, do share good news, do share positive vibes, do share good stories which will help others, which will trigger the positive mindset of the recipient. Don't share random WhatsApp and Facebook messages which will make them unhappy, and the gloom around will be magnified. And hence, use the power of positivity to combat COVID battle. My third and final point is to invest in yourself. It's extremely important, because today or tomorrow this pandemic will be over. It may change our way of life, it may not, but for sure it's going to change one thing: the person we are. The person who entered the storm, the pandemic, and the person who survived and exited will be a completely different person. And hence, use this downtime, use this time very wisely, so that we can upskill, we can think through what we can do better, we can come back in a very stronger way to fight out the economic and COVID battle.